Attention, North Huron, Wingham Station. Please respond to 279 LePold Street for a residential smoke alarm. Hallway smoke detector, 2 hits. The site is not answering. That's 279 LePold Street for a residential smoke detector. Time of first page 1540-48. Attention, North Huron, Wingham Station. This is a cancellation page for 279 LePold Street. Eastlink called back advising it's been a false alarm for that smoke detector. This is a cancellation page for 279 LePold Street. Fire is not needed. Time of cancellation page 1542-25.
Fire dispatch, car 3 acknowledges cancellation page.
That's Roger, you're acknowledging the cancellation page 1542.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Bravo.
Go ahead.
You can show Alpha Bravo responding to Leopold Street just to confirm false alarm.
That's Roger. And fire dispatch to North Huron Fire.
Go ahead, dispatch.
Be advised they did speak with the homeowner.
Yeah, roger that, thank you. Fire dispatch, North Huron Bravo.
Go ahead.
You can confirm this is a false alarm due to cooking. You can close off this incident, please.
That's Roger, you've confirmed it's a false alarm. 1549-36.